The death of a first-year student at Jadavpur University has exposed the dark underbelly of ragging in that university. Several arrests have already been made and more students and ex-students are being investigated for their role in the ragging of the 17-year-old boy that led to his fall from a second-floor hostel balcony. While it is still not clear what led to the boy's death, what the police have found is this. The boy was subjected to abusive and obscene behavior for about 2 hours, locked up in a hostel room with many others. Many of those who ragged the boy were ex-students several years older who stayed on at the hostel to prepare for external examinations unrelated to the university. After the tragedy, horrifying accounts have tumbled out of Jadavpur University. Students, teachers and staff members have spoken of extreme ragging and bullying to which the authorities allegedly turned a blind eye. Apart from forcing junior students to perform chores, senior students were also reportedly physically abusing them, mentally torturing them and even subjecting them to so-called punishments such as walking on railings on higher floor verandas. In 2016, another student's body was found hanging in the hostel. The student's parents alleged that ragging had driven the boy to commit suicide. There has been much outrage over the incident, with political parties blaming each other for the tragedy. It has also led the state government to finally consider stricter penal provisions in the current anti-ragging rules. There are also reports that the Education Department is planning to conduct surprise checks starting this academic session across all 37 universities in the state. Meanwhile, not surprisingly, this has already become the latest trigger for a war of words among the political parties of Bengal. The ruling TMC, the BJP, the left and the Congress have been engaged in a mudslinging contest since the student's death. For years, Jadavpur University has had a left-ruled students' union. Now Chief Minister has blamed the students for not allowing CCTVs on campus. Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee said, and I quote, "The boy's father had told me when I had called up that he used to cry and tell him that he was being tortured. Who are these people? They are Marxists. They sometimes ally themselves with the BJP and sometimes with the Congress," the Chief Minister said. CPIM leader Sujan Chakrabarti hit back, asking why hasn't Mamata Banerjee's government taken any action against Jadavpur University. He said that during the left's tenure, anti-ragging laws were in place. He asked why has Mamata Banerjee destroyed all those laws. Leader of the Congress party, Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary, said that there is a lack of law and order and administration in West Bengal, allowing such an incident to occur at Jadavpur University.
आज बंगाल की ये जो तानाशाही की जमाना चल रहे हैं, उसमें सारे शिक्षा प्रतिष्ठान के हालात दिन पे दिन बदतर होते जा रहे हैं और इसका जगजाहिर उदाहरण जादवपुर यूनिवर्सिटी, जहां ड्रग पेडलर्स ने ड्रग सेवन के चलते सारे इलाके में इसकी पहचान हो चुके हैं। कोई कानून व्यवस्था नहीं है। इसके चलते जादवपुर यूनिवर्सिटी, जिसको हम लोग कहते हैं कि 5 स्टार यूनिवर्सिटी, ये 5 स्टार यूनिवर्सिटी रैगिंग के चलते आज छात्रों को अपने जान गंवानी पड़ती है।
While political parties bicker, there is no denying that a 17-year-old boy has died and a prestigious university is now under a cloud because of the negligence of the authorities. According to reports, gangs have been allowed to come up in the university, some say with political patronage. Former students, who it seems are no less than goons, have been allowed to stay in the hostel. All this was made worse because the university administration was so-called weak. Whenever the university authorities attempted to confront them, the gangs responded with violence on the campus.
Shut up!